What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Let's go ahead and open up some 2022 new Hot Wheels and this Hot Wheels mystery car. I found a bunch of 2022 Hot Wheels in store. There's a few 2021s mixed in, but let's go ahead and start with this Chevy Silverado off-road in this nice looking yellow color wide body. Let's go ahead and open this one up and see what it's all about. You can see this shiny yellow color on this one. Really like that. Like the black right there on the front with that white trim on the outside. Looks kind of neat. It's kind of a different touch to the tampa work on the out right there. We have a nice push bar on the front end of it. Big wide body, like raised up lifted truck with those tires just sticking out right there. So classic American pickup truck. Next up, we have a brand new recolor of the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-class. Check out this blue color with the white wheels on this. I really like it. Let's go ahead and get a close-up look at this. Just look at that great looking paint job on this. These white wheels look fantastic. We've seen these ones. They've been pretty popular in the 2021 set. Now we're getting some carrying over to 2022, but nonetheless, they look fantastic. Great looking tampa work on the back end of this one, and on the front we do have that nice stripe that comes down the hood. And then just check out the detail on the front end of this Mercedes. Great look to that front end, very classic Mercedes-Benz, but overall a very cool. I really like this recolor of this Mercedes-Benz A-class. Range Rover Classic, this is actually a 2021 release. It came in the last case of 2021. I never got the last case of 2021, so I'm happy to pick this car up in store. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what this one looks like. Wow, great looking red color. This is a new model in 2021, so this is the first time we've seen this casting. Check out that black front grille and Castrol with the blacked out hood on that one. Cool looking top work on the side. This is supposedly like an off-road racing variation of this Land Rover, but very cool. I do like it. Like all the stamping and stuff like that that's on there. That looks really neat. On the back end does have that Range Rover on there. And we even have an RR Classic on the plate right there. Check that out. That's a very neat touch to this car. But overall, I'm digging this one. This is nice. Mighty K, a brand new casting for 2022 from the Hot Wheels Metro series. And this is like a Japanese pickup truck as far as I know. It kind of looks like one of those mini transporter pickup trucks. It's called the Mighty K. I don't know the history about these. So if you know anything about these, let me know in the comment section down below. But I really do think this one, they've done a great job on it. It's proportionate. It's very nice and small. Kind of ugly in the front headlights and stuff though. I mean, not a huge fan of this. I mean, I prefer the big old American pickups than this little thing, but these ones are quite popular work trucks within Japan. Actually, if we look at the back, look at that. That's a cool touch. We have a skateboard in the back. That's pretty neat. I'm not too sure about that. We do have a little tire right there. And then we've got the Asada on the back, it says. So I'm not too sure what that means. A little Hot Wheels logo on there. Nice stamping tampa work. Very tiny wheel tire combination of this one. 2020 Toyota GR Supra. We got it recolored in yellow. We saw the white variation released. Previously, we've gotten a couple of premium ones. We actually have a premium one just right back there on my wall, right there. But other than that, let's go ahead and open up the new yellow color right apart from right there. And there it is. Look at this yellow color. You guys know yellow is my favorite color, so absolutely love this one. Kind of disappointed there's no tampa work on the back end. It's a little bit plain there, but they have saved it for the side. So we've got kind of all the sponsored graphics there. We got a nice pinstripe that goes right down there. The front end, look at the detail for those front headlights. Doesn't that look amazing? Very good. We got the Toyota logo just right there on the front end. But overall, it's a fantastic design for this Toyota GR Supra. Next, we have the Indy 500 Oval. This one in a cool looking color. I love the base on this too. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. We've seen many different recolors of the Indy 500 Oval, and here is another one to add to the collection. Gray wheels on there. Nice cool looking blue base on it as well. The Hot Wheels logo right there on the side. That little flag right there on the back wing, and you can see it from the top. Just a very classic design Hot Wheels car. Like I said, we've got many different recolors, including a Super Treasure Hunt that we got. I believe it was 2018 we had the Super Treasure Hunt for this one, but overall, I've always really liked the Indy 500 Oval. Next up, another brand new casting for 2022. It's the tuned out Volkswagen Golf Mk1. check that one out. Oh my gosh, what a funny looking car. Let's go ahead and pop it open right here, get a nice close-up look. Just from the front end, I think this thing is just funny looking. Just look at that, the tuned out variation of this car. This has got to be one of the most funny looking tuned out cars that I have seen from Hot Wheels in a long time. You can see how it's got that big exhaust that comes out the back right there from the side. Just look at that. The squished in body and then kind of raised up number 66 Hot Wheels logo VW on the back end. Just overall, like I said, one of the funniest cars that I've seen Hot Wheels release in a long time. Pagani Huayra released in this crazy new copper gold color right here. Gold wheels. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. A nice looking recolor to this one right here. Look at the black on there, just on the side. Look at the gold wheels on there, very, very shiny. And that color, wow, that is a crazy look of this new car here. And you can see the black striping in the front and the lights that are just right in there. We've seen many different recolors of the Pagani Huayra, but it's a good looking designed car. I'm more of a fan of the Huayra Roadster, but this one overall looks great. What do you guys think of this Pagani Huayra? Mazda REPU pickup truck in orange, brand new color release of this one. It's been a while actually since we've seen this one. I think it's been a year or two, and we finally get a nice new recolor of this one. Great looking tampo work on this. Let's go ahead and open it up so you guys can see this one up close right here. But there is that orange from the side. We got the Mazda on the back, Hot Wheels logo, and then we look at the back, rotary power written on the back. That's really, really cool. I like the touch to that one right here. Same logos on the side for this side right here. Nice black pinstriping that goes down there. These wheels, they kind of fit this era of car, so not too bad. And then the front end, great looking front end. I like the detail right there with those lights, the logo in the center. Just an overall very, very nice new recolor to this. I feel like they've added a good touch of detail to this one to make it look better. 2017 Ford GT, brand new recolor from the Then and Now series. I believe this is actually a 2021 release. It's the Now's variation between the Ford line, but very, very cool. Like to see this one on the pegs right now. Let's go ahead and pop it open and get a nice look at this Ford GT. Just look at the striping, the white wheels on here. This looks absolutely great. I love it, love it, love it. Love that striping that goes down the center. The number 4, very classic number 4 color. The history of the Ford GT40 right there with that number 4. We do have great looking tampo work for those front headlights on the side. And I just love the side look of this car. I think it looks amazing. And we look at the back right there. Not much as far as any stamping or tampo work right there. It's kind of saved for that striping that goes down the center. And then that front headlight look of this one. 1976 Greenwood Corvette, this one in a nice metallic looking color to it. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see what this one's all about, and check that one out. It's almost like a dark blue color to this one. You can see the metallic flakes in the paint right there. Nice cool stripe that goes down the center, the number 22 right there. The Greenwood Corvettes, they're like a Corvette C3 Stingray, but with a nice wide body look to it. So you can see that wide body to it. I've always been a big fan of this era of Corvettes, and you can see the back end. That's your regular Corvette, and then you have the wide body that you can see that just sticks out. Crazy, crazy look to this Corvette. We've seen this casting several times before, lots of different recolors of it, but I really, really like it. Bad Bagger from the Hot Wheels Flame series. Check out this motorbike. Oh my gosh, look at the flames down the sides of this. Let's go ahead and see it up close, what it's all about right here. And you can just see it's a very heavy bike actually, so it's a lot heavier than I thought because it is all metal on the inside, all metal right here, so no plastic besides just the wheels on here and just this little piece right there. A very, very nice designed motorbike right here. You can see from the front end, you can see that wheel that's right there, and you can see just on the back, just look at the paint job, the seat, and from the top right there. Overall looks great. If you like this style of motorbike, these like kind of classic rod Harley Davidson style motorbikes, then this is definitely a cool one to collect. Let's go ahead and see if it stands up. We'll put it right here, Kind of stands up. It's got a little bit of a lip right here on the side, so it does kind of sit just over, but not too bad. Not too bad. What do you guys think of this new motorbike? Porsche 935. Check this one out. Love the look of this color right here. 70 on the side of it. Very classic style wheels on here. Let's go ahead and pop it open so we can see it. Cool looking stripes that it has. Check out how the stripes just come around right here, and then they kind of continue like right about there. So very, very cool. We got a little Hot Wheels logo just right on the back. I love the front end of this one. It's kind of like new and retro at the same time. Very, very cool looking. Really, really like that. Cool looking spoiler on the back here, and even got that little escape door if there's a fire. Very nice looking race car style Porsche 935. 67 Chevelle SS 396 from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. Go ahead and pop this one open, and this is kind of like a brighter yellow color, not like a pure yellow like the Toyota Supra that we did see. This one has some sort of thing written on the side right here. Osley's written on the side of it. Not too sure exactly what that means. Nice gray wheels, tire combination on here. Bigger ones on the rear, smaller ones on the front, just like a lot of these muscle cars did have. It's got some writing on the back right there. Can't really tell exactly what that says, but overall, love that chrome grille on there. The black stripes that go right down the front. They skip the roof and then they continue just down the back. I like that touch to it right there. Then we got the chrome on the back, but a nice looking muscle car. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, and this one is a then and now series, so perhaps we will get a now variation for this set right here. But let's go ahead and have a look at this. I really like the color of this one. It's a really cool looking gray color to it. Blacked out wheels on here, the black on the bottom right there. Skyline, it says right there on the back. That nice little lip spoiler. It's a very, very clean design with this color. Just look at the top. I love how it's got like that metallic paint with that gloss that's just right over top of it. So it really shines in my lights, as you can see. We got the chrome little bumper on the front, and that's like a little lip style bumper on there. Very nice for these JDM Designs cars. Good detail for those lights on the back as well. Very, very nice to see that. But overall, what do you guys think of this Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR? Custom 1970 Honda N600. This really tiny car. We've seen this one before, and we're getting lots of recolors of it now. And this new color that you see right here, it's very, very trendy right now. We're seeing this color on a lot of newer cars in real life, and now it's come into Hot Wheels. It's kind of like a grayish blue color. I really do like this color. It's nice to see on some cars, but there it is in this Honda N600. Very, very tiny of a car. I mean, let's grab the Supra right here, and we can see how much longer the Supra is, and this one for 1/64, it's like probably 2/3 the size of the Toyota Supra. But overall, I think it's a really cool looking little car. It's kind of cool to collect. I'm not a big fan of like these older style cars, but this one, because it's so tiny, I like to have this one. And last, we have our Hot Wheels Mystery Models car. And this one is, I believe, a 2021 Mystery Models 3 set. And I think I know what this car is, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're gonna go ahead and open up and see what it is and see how cool this looks. We'll go ahead and pop that open, and we'll just remove it just right there. And there it is. It's the DeLorean. I thought it was going to be the DeLorean. So here we have Space Radar written on the side. I mean, if you know DeLoreans, that's pretty correct to have that. Just check out all the graphics and tamper work on this one on the top. That looks so crazy. It's totally Back to the Future-ish, isn't it, right? And on the back end, you can see it's got kind of like a cool looking see-through window, but it's like you can't quite see all the way through. It's really, really nice and correct to do that right there. Blacked out wheels with the gold lip on it. Wow, very, very cool to have this Mystery Models car. We'll actually go ahead and see what other stuff we have for this set right here. I like that Hot Wheels sticker right there. Look at the Hot Wheels sticker matches the DeLorean. Check that out. That is so cool. And on this Mystery Models set, we'll actually open this one up and I'll show you some of the premium cars and all the cars included on here. So the DeLorean is car number 1 from the set. I was trying to find the Nissan Skyline RS, but I could not find that one. Then there's a couple fantasy cars and stuff like that that I didn't really want to get, but I'm happy to have the DMC Delorean, and there it is. And there are all of the cars that we opened up today. In the comment section down below, let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.